hefty old job on the go. We've been up here cutting and that and stacking everything up and whatnot, and we've got this big old ash to come down now, as they want that taken, and it's a, well, where's my saw? Oop. Got a fire right next to the fire actually. It's a pretty hefty old tree. And then, because we've been working on all this fairly small stuff, but old Elsie's going to video it, get it down, we're going to lay it straight down in there. We've got a really bad crosswind to work with as well. You can see the leaves, the trees are proper blowing. So we'll see what we can do. We've got those two chestnuts, so we'll take this one first. Well, she's a down. Oh, bloody wind caught it. Luckily that chestnut stopped it. The wind caught it and tried throwing it over, so we've got a bit of a clean-up job on our hands. It's the biggest tree I've probably ever cut. Go stand up the end, Else.
Huh?
Go stand up the end.
What, that end?
No, that end.
I cut it.
Huh?
Oh, no.
Big though, isn't it? Oop. It's a stump. I've really cut up, but the wind was fighting against me. I had 2 wedges in it. Banged it right out, but the bar just made it through.